Udhaji, you're muted.
पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् भाष्माख्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. What is the sutra number?
1324.
1324. This Atmanepada Pratyaya related topic came in Brihadaranyaka. There, in Tika, this sutra number is given 1324. Udaha Anurdhva Karmani. Sutra is Udaha Anurdhva Karmani. The meaning is Utthana Kriyam Varjayitva. Utthana Kriya means, Utthana means to lift. When there is a Kriya which is related to Utthana, means to lift. Lifting Kriya Varjayitva means leaving aside, not taking the Utthana Kriya. Anyatra, another places, if Ut Upasarga is there and Stha Dhatu, if it is there, Ut Upasarga Purvak Stha Dhatu, if it is there, then Atmanepade Pratyas will come. Atmanepade Pratyas means Patyate, Patyete, Patyante. Te is there, na? Te, ete, te, ite, ante, like that. At the end, instead of Parasmaipade, Atmanepade Pratyas will come. Is this point clear? Stha Dhatu, generally, what is the form, Latlakara form for Stha Dhatu?
Tishtati.
Tishtati. Tishtati, Tishtataha, Tishtanti. These are the general forms, Parasmaipadi. Stha Dhatu, it is only Parasmaipadi. It is not Atmanepadi. But in some specific situations, Stha Dhatu gets the Atmanepadi Pratyas. In that one of the situation, Ut Upasarga, when it comes, then that Stha Dhatu will get Atmanepadi. But not in the case of lifting Kriya, not in the case of Kriya which is lifting. Example are given. Shishyaha Muktau Uttisthate. Shishya in Mukti, Uttisthate. Uttisthate means here Muktim Praptum, not lifting from the Mukti. Mukti here Uttisthate means Praptam Artham. In Mukti, Shishya is getting the Mukti. That is the meaning. Muktim praptum prayatate means putting forth the effort to attain the mukti. Uttishthate means that putting forth effort to gain, to attain mukti. Mukti is mukti given. So for uttishthate, they have given prayatate. Prayatate means prayatna, effort. It is not lifting kriya. It is yatate kriya. If we look at the uttishtata, jagrata, prapya varan nibodhata, there also uttishtata is there. Ut upasarga purvak ta dhatu nishtha pratyaya. Uttishtata. Uttishtata, jagrata. There nishtha pratyaya. Pratyaya. Is this point clear?
Yes, Purnaji. So based on the context, we should understand that.
This upasarga, when we add, dhatu meaning will change. So, how we will know that when upasarga, when it is added with stha dhatu, this kind of meaning only will come, that accurately we may not be able to say this is the only meaning. Sometimes we can find in upasargartha chandrikaha. Here it is there. Upasargartha chandrikaha. Upastha. After upasarga, there are different kind of dhatus are there. In this we wanted stha dhatu. Somewhere stha dhatu will be there, upa plus stha dhatu will be there. So like that, there are how many possibilities are there? It could be many possibilities, but as much as examples they have given here. So all these are different places with which meaning they have used, that they have given like that. So we can refer this, or we can understand based on context. If based on context we are not able to find the meaning, then we can find here which meaning will be fit there. But there is no particular meaning has given by Panini Maharshiji or any other acharyas. This upasarga, when it is added to this dhatu, this particular meaning only will be there. That kind of explanation is not there. Okay. Is there any other doubt?
No, Purnaji, thank you.
ఉత్తాన క్రియ మీన్స్ పైకి లేపడం అనేటటువంటి క్రియాని వదిలిపెట్టి మిగతా ఎక్కడైనా కూడాను స్థాధాతువుకి ఉపసర్గని యాడ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆత్మనేపది ప్రత్యయం వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వేర్ we have stopped?
Sixth one అయ్యింది. సెవెంత్ వన్ స్టార్ట్ సంస్కృత వర్డ్.
राजा सेनापति से कहता है. Who wants to say? Is this the correct chapter which I opened?
That's what I was kind of looking at, Purnaji.
12th chapter,
Not,
right?
12th chapter
yes.
towards the end. I don't know, we finished all 20, I think 13th chapter beginning we have to do, I think, is what.
No. Few words, few vakyas are there
Okay.
in this chapter.
Okay.
Eighth one we finished. Ninth one.
We
Vaha
finished up to
Brahman.
sixth, Purnaji. 7th, we should do.
7th. उसने गुरु से पढ़ा. What I think यह लड़की I read it लकड़ी, so you said it लड़की. So that's how I remembered. Okay, उसने गुरु से पढ़ा. What is the English Sanskrit वाक्य?
सः गुरोः अधीते. और सा.
Guru is in which vibhakti?
Panchami, right? So, so
గురోహో.
that's what I said. Saha guroho adhite.
Whatever is the visheshya vibhakti linga vachana should
So
be
then
there.
this should also be So tasmat guroho adhite.
Adhite is which lakara?
Adhite is
Lat lakara. Pada is which lakara?
Oh, so then it will be lang lakara. Okay. Apatat then?
Apatat we can use.
That's what.
Apatat or adhi.
Okay, Pune. Apatat or adhi.
Whichever we can use. 8th one, यहाँ लड़की चोर से डरती है. Okay, sorry. In second one also this word came, ladki. So I have done the mistake there, not here. Okay. 8th one. Sirisha ji?
एषाः बालिकायाः चोराद् बिभेति.
यहाँ
एषः बालिकायाः चोराद् बिभेति.
यहाँ should be in which vibhakti?
We are saying balikaya, right? So prathama ekvachana.
Whatever is the balika shabda vachana linga should be same as yaha also.
What is the strilinga of that? Saha, I don't know. Sa, is it sa?
No, ya balika.
Esha.
Ya, yasmat balikat. Is, if it is come is, then esha. Esha.
Ma etasya.
Etasyaha, strilinga. No, not etasyaha. Yaha is this or whichever balika. In English, what is the vakya here? This balika
This girl is
this
afraid
is,
of a robber or a thief.
then balika will be in prathama only.
Yeah, only chora will be in chaturthi, panchami, right?
Yes. Esha balika chorat bibheti.
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Vaha brahmana is कन्या को उस राक्षस से बचाता है. Next, Vijaya ji.
सः ब्राह्मणाय सः ब्राह्मणः तस्मात् कन्या
ఓకే, తెలుగులో వాక్యం చెప్తాను. ఆ బ్రాహ్మణుడు ఈ కన్యను ఆ రాక్షసుని నుండి కాపాడుతున్నాడు. ఆ బ్రాహ్మణుడు. What is the Sanskrit pad?
तस्मात्
ఆ బ్రాహ్మణుడు.
तस्मात्
Why it is tasmat?
ब्राह्मणुడు सा ब्राह्मणः एतां कन्यां सा ब्राह्मणः एतां कन्यां त्रायते.
Yes.
सः ब्राह्मणः एषां कन्यां तस्मात् राक्षसात् रक्षति.
Trayate, right? Trayate.
Daityat.
Daitya.
Rakshati we can use, trayate we can use. Trayate is atmanepadi and rakshati is parasmaipadi. Both we can use.
Daityat, right? Daityat. Okay.
Etam balikam, not esham. Esha will come only in prathama ekavachana. Etam balikam.
Etam balikam. Etam kanyam.
Kanyam or balikam.
Okay. Tasmat
सः ब्राह्मणः एतां बालिकां दैत्यात् रक्षति. प्रजा से राजा के लिए धन लाओ. Shivananji.
प्रजा से प्रजात राजाय धनम प्रजा राजाय धनम
Lavo
Lavo.
is which lakara?
Lao is lut lakara.
Lot lakara.
Lot,
What is
lot.
lot lakara form? What is the lot lakara form?
Lot is something just instructions.
Ajna. Ajna,
Ajna.
command. Anything can come.
Lao means what is the? No, that is clear.
Da,
But what?
Da dhatu.
Huh?
Da dhatu.
Dadat. Dadat.
Or in this chapter, Anaya Shabda is there. Na? Ani.
అవును ఆని
Anaya.
Anaya is also there. Ani meaning Lana. Anaya we can. Anaya is the lot lakara form.
Here, Raja ke liye means that is Chaturtha Vibhakti, no? For the beneficiary of the Raja from Praja and Panchami Vibhakti.
Yes.
Okay.
Kshatriya ke अतिरिक्त.
So one question, Poonaji.
Hmm.
Number 10, right? It should not be like tebhyah, janebhyah, the plural, right? We are bringing from people, so that should be in Panchami.
బహువచనం అమ్మ
Actually, this praja word like sarva, like praja, when we say, we can't say one, right? One person, we can't say one person. So praja means people. So we can use ekavachanam or we can use bahuvachanam. Both we can use, like sarva shabda. But here we can use panchami. Sorry, bahuvachanam.
So it will be Prajebhyah, Poonaji then?
No, prajabhyaha. Ramabhyam, Ramabhyaha. Prajabhyaha.
ప్రజాభ్యः నృపः ధనం ఆనయ అమ్మ ఆనయ
Nrupaya. For king. From people, for king, bring money. Bring money from the people for the sake of king. That is the meaning.
Anaya, is that what it is?
Yes. He is saying to someone, so that person is ekavachanam. Means it is actually Anaya is Madhyam Purusha. Like I am telling you, bring money from the people for the sake of king. So it is like Madhyam Purusha. Somebody is saying to Madhyam Purusha, then it will be Madhyam Purusha Ekavachanam Anaya. Is this clear?
Yes, Purnaji, thanks.
Next one. क्षत्रिय के अतिरिक्त कौन इस प्रजा को दुख से बचाता है? 12th one. Eleventh one. क्षत्रिय के अतिरिक्त कौन इस प्रजा को दुख से बचाता है? తెలుగు వాక్య ఇస్ క్షత్రియుని కన్నా అతిరిక్తం ఎవరు ఈ ప్రజల్ని దుఃఖం నుండి రక్షిస్తారు? Means who will protect these people from the sorrow other than kshatriyas, other than kshatriya, one person. Next, Kavya,
Amma Hari Oma.
will you be able to do this?
Try chestama. Ivi నేను మీనింగ్ వినలేదు ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ ది.
Okay then.
క్షత్రియ
Later you can try.
క్షత్రియ అన్యః ఇతరః కః ఏతాః ప్రజాః దుఃఖాత్ త్రాయతే.
Can you say again?
క్షత్రియ అన్యః ఇతరః కః ఏతాః ప్రజాః దుఃఖాత్ త్రాయతే.
What did you say in between? Kaha or saha?
కః అమ్మా.
Not saha. Kaha.
అదే కః చెప్పినాను. అంటే ఎవరు రక్షిస్తారు అంటే కః అని చెప్పినాను.
In between saha is there? After itaraha.
ఇతరః కః.
Itaraha kaha.
ఏతాః ప్రజాః దుఃఖాత్ త్రాయతే.
Okay, that is not saha. Kaha. Right?
కః అమ్మా.
Okay. Yes. Next one. Dharmam ke bina sukh nahi.
Purnaji, can you repeat that sentence one more time? Kshatriya
Okay.
Anya.
Kshatriyat anyaha atiriktaha. Etaha prajaha dukkhat kaha rakshati or trayate.
So Kshatriyat Anyah Kaha Etabhyah Prajabhyah Dukhat Trayate is what I wrote.
Okay, etaha prajaha here, as I said, praja shabda is taken as singular.
Okay.
Thinking that praja means all.
Okay, so either way it should be. I can write
either.
Prajat also or that
Yes,
also.
yes.
అమ్మా
Yes.
ఏతాహు అనే స్త్రీలింగ్ వస్తుందమ్మా.
Praja strilingam.
So is it kaha or kim?
Kaha. Who will protect?
Oh, yeah. Singular. Prathama, sorry.
Next. Anusha, is it clear?
క్లియర్ అమ్మా.
धर्म के बिना सुख नहीं. Anusha.
धर्मं विना सुखं न अस्ति.
Okay. Rute Shabda is given there.
Amma.
Use the word Rute. If we use Rute word, Dharma should be in which case?
Panchami. Dharma. धर्मात् ऋते सुखम न अस्ति.
गांव के पास सारी प्रजा है. अपर्णा जी.
ग्रामं निकषा प्रजान् सन्ति.
Okay, Nikasha, instead of Nikasha, use the word Arat.
Arat. Okay.
They have given Arat, na? So we can use Arat also.
Okay. So then Gramam Arat Prajan Santi.
Prajan. Why Prajan?
Because Dvitiya Bahuvachanam is what I wrote. That is.
No, what is the meaning?
Praja.
Near the village,
Praja
people
is
are
staying. Reside.
People are there. So people are there. It is
And
in which
Prajaha
case?
also I can do, no then. Okay, then I'll do Prajaha.
Prathama.
Okay.
It should be Prathama.
But that word sari is there, right? So should we use sarve?
Sarve Prajaha.
Sarve Prajaha. Grama Mara Sarve Prajaha Santi then.
What you are saying, Shivanandji?
Panchama Vibhakti is not there here, huh? Or which?
It's there, right? Gramad Arat, because of Arat.
There is a niyama for Arat also. Anya Arat, niyama 46. Anya Arat Itara Rute. When all these shabdas comes, then that karaka will be in Panchami.
Okay.
So if we use this Arat shabda, then grama will be in Panchami. If we use Nikasha shabda, then gramam will be in Dvitiya. We saw in the earlier chapter, Nikasha, when it comes, Dvitiya Vibhakti will come. So if it is Arat, then Gramat. If it is Nikasha, then Gramam. Okay. Next Vakya. गांव के पूर्व पश्चिम उत्तरा और दक्षिणा की ओर कौन लोग रहते हैं? Is it कौन लोग? Yes. గ్రామానికి పూర్వం పశ్చిమం ఉత్తరం దక్షిణం వైపు ఎవరున్నారు? This is the Vakya. Who is there behind the village? East, west, north, south, all sides. Who wants? Shirisha ji.
Gramat पूर्व पश्चिम उत्तर दक्षिण प्राक् आदि किम प्रजा सन्ति?
Gramat is okay. Purva is Purva Pratipadika. Prathama Ekavachanam will be Purvaha, Paschimaha, Uttaraha, Dakshina cha. Dakshina is Dirgha. Dakshina cha. Or is there? So,
Dakshina Prak Adi. That is
why Prak? Oh, towards the. Okay, then not Purvaha. Gramat Purvam Paschimam Uttaram Dakshinancha Prati.
कः अन्यः सन्ति
के संति.
yes yes के अन्यः
K Vasanti also can be there. No?
Kaha.
Stays. Right?
Kaha. के संति.
K.
వసతి కూడా చెప్పొచ్చమ్మా
Hmm.
వసతి కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు వసంతి
No. Vasati means to stay. Here they are there. Who are there? That's
कौन
all.
लोग रहते हैं इससे.
but that Punaji, the Prak Adi is ki or, right? That or should be like Prak Adi.
Or means prati. We can use the word prati. They are not giving the for each word. Purva mean Purva or Paschima or Uttara, or if they give, then we can do Prak like that. They have given each individual, then Dakshina ki or. So the in Telugu meaning is Gramaniki Purvam Paschimam Uttaram Dakshinam Vaipu. So we can say Purvam Paschimam Uttaram Dakshinancha Prati, towards all these directions. Kaha santi. Ke santi.
Logamat, for that, what word that is?
Log means Manushyaha, right?
Manushya we can use.
Yes. Ke Manushyaha santi. Is this clear?
Can you say
Yes,
it one more time, the whole thing, Purnaji? Manushya.
Gramat Purvam Paschimam Uttaram Dakshinancha Prati Ke Manushyaha santi.
Okay. Uttaram.
So Purvaha, it's not Purvaha, it is Purvam.
Because or is there, na? That's why all these became Dvitiya.
Gramat Uttaram Dakshinam Purvam cha Paschimam or Ke Manushyaha Santi.
Okay. Next one. बाल्यकाल से लेकर यहाँ ही रहता है. शिवानंद जी.
अहम बाल्यकालात् अत्र सन्ति.
Can you say again?
अहम बाल्यकालात् अत्र सन्ति.
Okay, this Balyakalat they have given the
Shaishava.
Shaishavam. Shaishavam word is given in first line in this chapter. Shaishavam. So Shaishavat we can use.
Aham Shaishava Atra Santi.
Atraiva vasami, right? Purna, I don't know.
Yes, Atra eva vasami.
What about the word pravritti?
Later, Prabhuti. Shaishavat Prabhuti Atra Eva Vasami.
Aham Shaishavat prabhrute. Prabhrute atraiva vasami.
Prabhuti is not correct. Prabhute.
Prabhrute. Prabhrute, because Atmanepadi we can use here is saying aham vasami. So we can use prabhrute. It is not dhatu. Prabhrute is not dhatu. Prabhrute is avyepada. Prabhriti is avyepada, so prabhriti, just ikara only. Aham shaishavat prabhriti atra eva vasami. Okay, next. गांव के बाहर जाओ.
Gramat bahihi gaccha. Gramat bahihi gaccha.
अब क्या समय है?
Idanim kim vela.
ఇప్పుడు సమయం ఎంత అవుతుంది?
Idanim kim vela.
Vela
Can it be
is strilinga shabda. If we take vela, ka should be used.
Kedanim Vela? Can it be that? Kedanim Vela.
Ka idanim. Kedanim means ka idanim. Right?
Yes.
If we split that word, ka idanim, kedanim. As here it is given, ab is given first, so idanim ka vela. If we use samaya shabda, kaha samayaha. What you are asking, Anusha?
Ide nama kasa vela.
You are asking something, Saha? Okay. वाटिका से फूल लावो. वाटिका से फूल लावो.
वाटिका यया पुष्पम आगच्छेत.
Vatika is not Sanskrit shabda. Vatika is not Sanskrit shabda.
Udyanam, right?
Upavana.
Upavanam.
Upavanat Pushpam.
Correct.
Anaya.
Pool is ekavachanam or
Ekavachanam.
okay.
Pool.
वृक्ष से फल गिरे,
वृक्षात् फलानि अपतत्
वृक्षात् फलम्
अपतत्
गिरे means lot lakara, right? Aparna ji, is it lot lakara meaning or
Which one, Purnaji? Sorry.
gire? Gire means what kind of meaning it is?
Let me say. Vriksh se phal gire.
Means from
Vrikshat
vriksha,
phalam.
fruit should fall.
Vrikshat phal, vrikshat phalam patati. Or apat. It is past tense.
Patati is lot lakara.
No, it is past tense. Gire is past tense. Means it has already
Past.
fallen.
It is load, right? Gire is let it fall.
I think so.
Okay.
I have written is lot lakara.
Okay. Okay. Vrikshat phalam
पतत्
Pateyuhu.
ateyu.
उस गुरु से विद्या पढ़ो.
सह गुरोः विद्याम् अधीते.
Pado is also lot lakara. Right?
So
Yes.
adhitu or
Adhi. Or
adhi.
patha.
Okay. Adhi.
Or patha. If we use pat dhatu, just patha.
Tasmat word is not using this. Not used, Mama. Tasmat. Tasmat word not used, Mama.
Yeah, we can use tasmat. She said, right?
No, I said saha. So yeah,
Oh, okay.
tasmad.
Okay. I could not hear. Tasmat guroho vidyam patha.
Vidyam vidyayam.
Vidyam. Dvitiya ekavachanam. Vidyanu. Vidyanu chaduvu. Okay.
Shivananji, what was the word? Sorry.
Hmm.
Shivananji, for Vatika, what was the word that you used? I forgot to write it.
Upavanam.
Upavana.
Upavanat. Anusha, what you are asking?
No, also used in Jnanam, also used Vidyam.
Jnanam is knowledge. Vidya is also in the sense of knowledge only, but Jnanam is different kind of usage. Vidya is different kind of usage. జ్ఞానాన్ని చదువు అని అనము, జ్ఞానాన్ని నేర్చుకో అంటాం. అదే జ్ఞానాన్ని తెలుసుకో అంటాం, విద్యను చదువు అని అంటాం. Both are same meaning, but different kind of usage.
Okay.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Harihi Om.